Okay, welcome back, guys. This was a trade I was taking on the Euro AUD pair, that is the Euro Australian dollar pair, and yeah, it was a good 1:2. Yes, 1:2. Let's just go to the 15 minutes to have a sorry about that. Let me just come here and go back to it. Okay, all right, we're back now. Let's go to the 15 minutes. Okay, this was the 15 minutes. This was the 15 minutes. Okay, now I'm going to be going too much deep into this. So this was what happened, how we cut this setup. Now price basically created the all-time high right here, so that was, we marked that out. Now price created the all-time high right there and then did a little reversal to this zone, right here. Okay, it was more of an aggressive entry as price did a little reversal. We didn't enter at that, waited for this little, actually left the chart to do other things, and then by the time we came back, price was already this green candle already formed. This green candle we are looking at already formed, and then looking at this, as a green candle formed, we waited a little bit patient, and then a red candle formed next to it, and this is basically a mini double top. Yeah, it's not an equal double top, but yeah, still the same thing. We are still saying the same. So as price did this from a after a long period of bullish move, so we should expect some good retracement, like good one, and then we basically put in a sell order at that zone with stop loss above the all-time high. Why? Because if it will be an invalidation, if price breaks the all-time high, then it's probably going to retest it and then continue its upward move. However, if price does not break that, then it means we are in a good period of downward movement before we continue the previous upward movement, or before a trend change happens. So entry was placed at the red candle that formed after the second green candle that created the double top, which is a bearish chart pattern, and then stop loss was placed below. Stop loss was placed at the next zone, at the next key zone. Why? Because we are still very much in a upward trend, so anything can happen. Price might come down there and then continue its upward move, or price can break below, retest it, and continue its downward move as it did here. So it was placed there, and then that we are looking at right here, and then TP was it. And yeah, that's basically a quick breakdown on Euro AUD PM trade that was taken by this past week. So let me know your thoughts in the comment section, and then any questions you have, do where to drop them here, and see ya.